storytelling help you build like, know, and trust. I'm Jackie McKeever, business mentor, business strategist. If you're interested in learning how to leverage storytelling to scale your business, listen, you need to grab your seat in this storytelling masterclass. Save this for later. In the story selling masterclass, you'll learn 3 things. First, you'll learn how to create 5 stories that you can use interchangeably. You'll learn how to create stories that build like, know, and trust. To transition your customer into your high ticket program courses to sell your things. Grab your seat. You grab your seat simply by going to www.jackiemckeever.com/links or click the link in the bio.